Welcome to Kdenlive Online, a powerful free video editor you can use directly from your browser via RunApps. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to set it up and start creating. Visit Kdenlive Online and click on Enter to open the editor. Once the Kdenlive interface is open, go to the toolbar menu, select Project, and then Add Clip. Navigate to New Documents and choose your video file. Watch as the clip loads into the project tray, ready for editing. With the clip loaded, explore key tools like multi-track editing, effects and transitions, and advanced audio options to enhance your project. Once your editing is complete, save your project by navigating to the toolbar and selecting Render. Here, you'll find multiple formats available, such as MP4, Ultra High Definition, DVD, and more, to export your video. Kdenlive Online is a feature-packed video editing software, ideal for filmmakers, content creators, and video enthusiasts. With its intuitive interface and advanced tools, it allows you to create professional videos with ease. Start creating today.